Hey guys, it's me once again, Cindy. Welcome back to Bisayan Crafter channel. We are now on our fourth episode of our crafting project video, and for today, I'm gonna be showing you a tutorial on how to create a custom Gable birthday box. So please stay tuned and watch the entire video. If you find the video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and leave your comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. On my design space now, as you can see, I have all my elements ready. I just need to upload the name of the celebrant. I will also be putting a link on the description box for the Gable Box cut file I use, as well as the other elements you can find on this video. So if you can see the perforated lines here, this is a score line option that you need to select and attach before you go ahead and make the project. But if by chance, the cut file that you have purchased already has score lines, then you don't need to select that option. So let's get on with our placements now. So basically, this is how I would like to see the outcome of my Gable box. So I'm pleased with it, and now we're going ahead to cut and assemble. So there you have it, a customized birthday Gable box. Thank you so much everyone for joining me today. I hope this inspires you to create a similar project soon. Please remember to leave your comments or suggestions down below and subscribe to Bisayang Crafter. Keep safe guys, happy weekend!